Van Oski. Outside of Jake in the 81 is DJ Smith. Inside row 2, the driver X, the X car, it's John Reynolds Jr. Outside of John Reynolds Jr. in the 17 of Max Kaler. And rounding out the field, the number 2, Michael Bilderback. Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. Ooh, we were bunched up with Bilderback smoking there in the end. That almost got ugly. DJ Smith pulling away. As one of the drivers, looks like driver X having trouble in the X car or something going on there. Thank God that just almost got ugly there, Eric. That was bad.
Yeah, it could have been worse, but good driving by all these superstar late model drivers on those Hoosier tires as the 81 of Dennis Smith Jr. checks the line out front. Max Kaler in that 17 car. He had some issues early on. Good to see him up there with that number 2 car of Mike Bilderback. And then the X-Man of John Reynolds Jr. Those three running so tight. And the 84 Jake Vanoski running off your top 5.
As the pressure is being felt by from Max Kaler by Michael Bilderback. Now Reynolds and Michael Bilderback side by side for the battle for third.
But it's still that 81 of Dennis Smith Jr. Out running, rolling away. The 17 of Max Kaler trying to catch him, but he's got a battle with the number 2 of Michael Bilderback and the X-Man of John Reynolds Jr.
So DJ Smith currently sitting in 4th place in point standings at the Rockford Speedway. Definitely needs a win here.
Well, he's got 5 heats in his back pocket, so if anybody knows how to win heats, it's that 81 machine of Dennis Smith Jr. As Max Kaler in 2nd with a battle in that number 2 of Michael Bilderback. As John Reynolds Jr. in that X machine making it real tight and fun in that 2nd, 3rd, and 4th spot.
Max Kaler will go from racing to football starting next week as he is a linebacker for the Belvedere North High School football team.
But he's not in the lead right now, but the 81 of Dennis Smith Jr. currently holding off that linebacker of Max Kaler in that 17 machine. Michael Bilderback right on his bumper in that 2 machine, and here comes that X of John Reynolds Jr. with a couple to go.
So as DJ Smith might be able to put it on cruise control in this race, we'll find out what's going to happen. We've got white flag this time around for DJ.
4th in the points. South Beloit, Illinois. Talked about winning here tonight. That 81 machine wants to do more. And he's going to do more as that 81 finishes in 1st. Max Kaler in 2nd. Bilderback in 3rd. John Reynolds in 4th. And Jake Vanoski running off your top 5.
Good run for DJ. Lifelong Oakland Raiders football fan, as he's actually in my fantasy football league. We will be doing our draft tomorrow, so I will be playing fantasy football with DJ Smith among a couple of other drivers here.